Your windows are an essential part of your home, contributing to both the aesthetic appeal and the functionality of your space. However, over time, windows can wear out or become damaged, leading to a variety of issues. As a homeowner in Rockford, Illinois, it's important to recognize when it's time to replace your windows to maintain the comfort, efficiency, and security of your home. Here are the top signs that you need window replacement for your Rockford home. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most noticeable signs that it's time for a window replacement is when you begin to feel drafts or notice temperature fluctuations in your home. If your windows aren't properly sealed or have deteriorated over time, they can allow warm or cool air to escape, leading to drafts. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, resulting in higher energy bills. If you find yourself constantly adjusting your thermostat or bundling up in certain rooms, it's likely that your windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models will help maintain a consistent temperature and reduce your reliance on HVAC systems, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Condensation between the panes. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of your windows, this is a clear sign that the seals have failed. Modern windows are typically double or triple paned, with insulating gas sealed between the panes. This helps with energy efficiency and prevents moisture from entering the window's structure. However, when the seal is broken or damaged, moisture can enter and cause condensation, which is not only unsightly but can also lead to mold growth or damage to the window frame. If your windows have condensation that you can't wipe away, it's time to replace them. This issue is typically irreversible, and continuing to use the windows in their current condition could lead to further damage or reduced energy efficiency. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, are difficult to open, or won't stay in place can be frustrating and dangerous. Windows should operate smoothly, allowing you to easily open or close them as needed. If your windows are warped, swollen, or stuck due to age or damage, it could compromise your ability to secure them properly. This poses a security risk, as an improperly closed window may be an easy entry point for burglars. If you're finding it difficult to operate your windows or they no longer close securely, it's time to consider a replacement. New windows will improve the functionality and security of your home, giving you peace of mind that your windows are both operating smoothly and keeping you safe. Visible damage or wear. Over time, windows can become damaged due to weather exposure, accidents, or age. If you notice cracks, chips, or significant wear and tear on your windows, it's a sign that they may need to be replaced. Damaged windows can compromise the insulation of your home, allowing air and moisture to enter and creating potential security risks. In Rockford, where the winters can be harsh and summers can be humid, it's essential to have windows that can withstand the local climate. If your windows show visible damage or aren't performing as they should, it's a good idea to replace them to ensure your home remains protected from the elements. High energy bills. If your energy bills have been creeping up over time and you can't identify why, your windows could be the culprit. Old or inefficient windows often fail to provide proper insulation, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and consume more energy. This can lead to a significant increase in your utility bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can drastically reduce the strain on your HVAC system by better regulating your home's temperature. Newer windows feature advanced materials like low-E glass, which reflects heat in the summer and retains warmth in the winter, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Fading furniture or flooring. UV rays from the sun can cause furniture, flooring, and artwork to fade over time. If you notice that your furniture or carpets are losing their color, it could be due to exposure to UV rays coming through your windows. Standard windows don't block UV rays effectively, which can damage the interior of your home. Energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings can block harmful UV rays, preventing your furniture and flooring from fading. Replacing your old windows with ones that offer UV protection will help preserve the interior of your home while enhancing its energy efficiency. Unattractive appearance. Old, outdated windows can negatively impact your home's curb appeal. If your windows have become discolored, cracked, or warped, they may make your entire home look worn out and unkempt. Replacing your windows not only improves the look of your home but also boosts its overall value. New windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and colors, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architecture and enhance its visual appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or just want to refresh its appearance, installing new windows is a great way to increase your home's curb appeal. Increased outside noise. If you live in a noisy area, such as near a busy street or airport, you may notice that sound from the outside is becoming more intrusive. Older windows, especially those with single panes, offer little sound insulation, allowing noise to easily enter your home. Energy-efficient windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, provide much better soundproofing. Replacing your old windows with noise-reducing models will create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, which is especially valuable if you work from home or have young children who need a quiet place to sleep. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above in your Rockford home, it may be time to consider window replacement. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, damaged frames, or high energy bills, new windows can provide significant benefits, including improved comfort, lower utility costs, enhanced security, and increased home value. Replacing your windows is an investment that can make a lasting difference in your home's functionality and aesthetic appeal. If you're unsure whether it's time for window replacement, consulting with a local professional can help you make the best decision for your home.